10 indoor plants for ultimate healing and wellness. Transform your health and home. Did you know that the right plant in your home could literally help you breathe better, sleep deeper, sharpen your focus, and even feel happier? We spend over 85% of our lives indoors, meaning the air quality and energy inside our homes have a massive impact on our overall health. While no plant can replace professional medical help, certain indoor varieties act as nature's finest air purifiers, stress busters, and mood boosters. Today, we are counting down 10 incredible indoor plants that can transform your health, both physically and mentally. Get ready to discover which ones are worth your time, and trust us, the plant at number 1 is revered for a reason. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is much more than just a remedy for sunburns. This easy-to-care-for succulent is a true wellness assistant. The wellness power. Air cleanser. Aloe vera actively works to remove harmful toxins like formaldehyde from the air, a common volatile organic compound, VOC, found in household cleaners and furniture finishes. Medicinal magic. Break off a leaf, and the clear gel inside is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds perfect for soothing minor cuts, burns, and dry skin. Air quality indicator. Here's a cool fact. Aloe can act as a built-in warning system. If its leaves start developing brown spots, it can be a reaction to excessive pollutants in your home's air. Lavender. Lavender isn't just for essential oils and spas. The real plant can be a powerful addition to your home. The scientific edge. Studies consistently show that the scent of lavender can significantly lower heart rate, reduce overall stress levels, and promote deep, restorative sleep. The active compound, linalool, has a known calming effect on the central nervous system. Placing it near your bed can help you unwind after a long, stressful day. Mood and wellness. Instant calming. Feeling overwhelmed or anxious? Gently rubbing a few leaves between your fingers and inhaling the aroma can instantly bring a sense of calm. Natural headache relief. Some research even suggests lavender may help alleviate headaches and mild pain. Peace lily. The peace lily is a powerhouse of purification, famously tested by NASA for its ability to clean the air. Detoxification master. This plant is exceptional at filtering out some of the toughest household toxins, including benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene. By neutralizing these chemicals, the peace lily ensures you are breathing demonstrably cleaner air. Spiritual and mental wellness. Many believe the peace lily absorbs negative energy and promotes serenity and harmony in a space, making it a visual and energetic symbol of calm. It's an excellent choice for shared living spaces or home offices. Areca palm. Having an areca palm is like having a tiny, tropical humidifier in your living room, which is especially vital during winter months when indoor heating dries out the air. Moisture release. The areca palm releases significant moisture into the air through transpiration. This helps alleviate common winter woes like dry skin and irritated sinuses, scratchy throats and stuffy noses. It also improves overall respiratory comfort. Double duty. Like the peace lily, the areca palm is also adept at removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Rosemary. Rosemary is far more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a powerful nootropic, a substance that enhances brain function, that you can grow on your desk. Cognitive support. Research has shown that the scent of rosemary can significantly improve focus, concentration, and memory retention. Keeping a plant on your workspace can serve as a natural, non-caffeinated hack for productivity and mental clarity, helping to cut through brain fog. Mood lifting. The release of its essential oils, especially when rubbed between the fingers, provides an instantaneous stress-relieving and mood-lifting effect. Jasmine. Imagine a plant that fills your home with a heavenly scent and actively works to make you sleep better. That's the magic of jasmine. A nighttime ally. Studies have highlighted that the delicate floral scent of jasmine can dramatically improve sleep quality, leading to greater alertness and productivity the following day. It is shown to reduce restlessness and lower overall anxiety levels, making it a perfect addition to the bedroom. Emotional upliftment. Beyond sleep, jasmine's scent is known to enhance relaxation and may even help combat mild depressive moods, attracting feelings of peace and positive energy into the space. Snake plant. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, The snake plant is practically indestructible and one of the most highly recommended indoor plants. Nighttime oxygen. Unlike most plants, the snake plant performs crassulacean acid metabolism, CAM, meaning it releases oxygen at night while you sleep. This unique trait makes it a phenomenal bedroom plant for easier breathing. Toxin absorption. It's a champion at removing several indoor toxins, including benzene, formaldehyde, and xylene, silently detoxifying your space as you rest. Energetic shield. Many believe the snake plant acts as an energetic shield, absorbing negative energy and offering protection to the home. Its sharp, upright leaves are thought to represent protective energy in feng shui. Orchid. The elegance of emotional wellness. Orchids are known for their stunning beauty, but their benefits go deeper than aesthetics. Psychological upliftment. Orchids are known to enhance emotional well-being, boost creativity, and promote a powerful sense of inner peace. Their delicate, long-lasting blooms create an elegant and calming atmosphere, often used in therapy settings to promote recovery. Air purifying. At night, like the snake plant, certain orchid varieties release oxygen at night, contributing to a restful sleeping environment. Money plant, pothose and jade abundance and cleansing. The term money plant usually refers to both the trailing pothose and the sculptural jade plant, both of which are wellness powerhouses. Pothose, Epipremnum aurorum. Air cleanser, one of the most effective air purifiers, removing toxins like formaldehyde. Symbolism. Its trailing vines symbolize growth, abundance, and resilience, making it perfect for desks and offices to manifest success. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. Stability. Its thick, round leaves represent wealth, stability, and prosperity in many cultures. Low stress. Like other succulents, the simple, focused care required for jade plants is linked to reduced anxiety and mindfulness. Holy basil. If there is one plant that embodies healing from body to spirit, it is holy basil, or tulsi. Revered for centuries, it is an essential part of wellness traditions worldwide. The adaptogen advantage. Tulsi is a powerful adaptogen, meaning it helps the body biologically adapt and combat stress by regulating and lowering cortisol levels. Drinking tulsi tea is linked to improved digestion and respiratory health, balanced energy and boosted immunity. Spiritual purification. Tulsi is believed to clear negative energy, enhance meditation, and invite peace and divine blessings into the home. Keeping it near an entrance or prayer space is common practice for spiritual protection. Final thoughts on your wellness journey. Bringing these plants into your home is an easy, beautiful, and scientifically supported step toward a healthier life. They don't just sit around looking pretty. They are actively working to filter your air, calm your nervous system, and uplift your mood. Which of these 10 incredible plants will you welcome into your space first?